Hi there. Welcome to a series of videos called English for Emerson. It's a series of videos I'm making for my son Emerson to learn to read and write some basic English. We've been working our way through the ABCs, learning how to write them and say them, and today we're on to the letter E. I'm going to need you to get some paper that has lines on it. You can see on this board that I've got kind of sloppy dotted lines. With your paper, you're going to need hopefully, some real nice lines that go side to side. That's going to help you size the letters correctly and keep everything lined up. Okay? Once you get that, get a pen or a pencil, and here we go. When we're making the letter E, we're going to do the capital first. We're going to do both the capital and the lowercase. For the capital E, we start at the top line and make a straight line down. Now, you'll notice I have a heck of a time making a straight line. A heck of a time. But it's on there now, and there's nothing I can do about it. Now we're going to go to the top and go left to right. 1, 2, 3. There's my capital E. It's not bad. Let's try another one. Go to the top, straight down, and then 1, 2, 3. I still didn't do a very good straight E, did I? But that's the way it goes. You'll find out on this channel that we don't have a lot of perfection. Now, let's go to the lowercase e, which is a lot more difficult. The lowercase e, we're going to stay in between the middle and the lower line. You see this right in here? We're going to stay down here for our lowercase e. We're going to try not to go outside of it. What we do is we start over here, kind of in between the middle and the lower line, and then we're going to go over to the right, up, and that way. That's a pretty darn good lowercase e. Let's try another one. I'm going to start here. I'm going to go up. That's not bad. Let's do one more. Lowercase e. It's all in one movement. Here we go. Up. Well, maybe that one wasn't so good. I'm going to try it one more time to see if I can do better. I start here, go up. Not terrible. Not that great either. If you're looking for perfection, you got to go to a different channel. Now, you'll notice something. The lowercase e and the capital E don't look anything alike. And that's why you got to remember both. You've actually got to learn more than just the ABCs. You got to learn the capitals and the lowercase, because sometimes they don't look anything like each other. Now remember, we call this letter E, not E. Even though sometimes it can make the sound E. In fact, a lot of times it makes the sound E in words. And I'm going to give you one right now. An example of that. I want you to think about how you would spell the word bed. Like, I'm ready to go to bed. What letter would you use to start the word bed if you thought about it? I hope you're thinking that you would start it with the letter B, and that would be right. So we're going to go back and review how to make that letter B. Lowercase b, we're going to make a line down. And then in the middle of that line, we're going to go out this way. That's a lowercase b. Now the second letter of bed is going to be E. The E can make an eh sound. We call that the short E sound. Eh. Let's make it lowercase e right in here. So I'm going to be about halfway between the top and the bottom part of this bubble. About right here. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then the last letter on the word bed, what do you think? It's going to be D. Now remember, when we make a lowercase d, we're going to start it like we're making a small c, a lowercase c. We're going to keep it about the same size as the E here. We're going to come over here and make like we're going to do a C, and then we're going to go to the top and connect it down. There we go. Bed. After this video, maybe I'm just going to go to bed. Okay, there you go with the letter E. That's all I got for today. Come back next time and we're going to do the letter F. Bye-bye.